Oh my God.
There you go.
That felt better than the other one.
Because you were relaxed.
Oh. But I definitely feel like, looser.
Ready?
Yeah.
You nervous?
Yeah.
You nervous?
A little bit.
Don't be nervous.
Okay.
Adjustments make you feel good.
Okay. Do you feel good right away?
You'll see.
Or are you sore first?
You will find out. Put your face straight there, and your hands right there.
Oh. But she does say funny things like when you were in the ice bath that time.
Oh my God. What's
Tight. We got to look at your sacrum. Sacrum is the keystone of your spine. This diamond-shaped bone. Your hip bones lock in here. Your tailbone's at the bottom where you sit. The more you sit, the more compressed, the tighter it gets, and then it starts to creep up. And this was meant to move all day long, to walk. Use it or lose it. So we sit, we get tight. Doesn't work. Okay, so we got to get that moving. And she's all tight.
Oh my God.
Look at this. And it is. See that left side? It's all rolled forward. This is tight. And this is nothing. We didn't even start yet. And she's already.
Noise is scary.
The noise.
The noise is not in your back.
That's just the table right now, assisting.
Whoa. Oh my God.
Turn to this side, face me. You're gonna lie on your left side.
Oh my God.
On my left side.
We throw the evidence out. Nobody sees it. Turn, yeah.
Ricky's face came off. Lipstick. Oh my God. That's viral. That's viral.
I take you sign an autograph and I put it up on the
I love
wall.
that. I'm scared now. What's going on?
Scared of what? Gotta get good rotation all the way through. You've been adjusted before. Nice and relaxed right here. Take a deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh, fuck. Sorry. Okay.
Other side. I never knew that because I just let it go. If people say the adjustment.
I've tried to.
Yeah,
Yeah.
curse.
No, yeah, because I curse all the time.
We like blocked it, the curse out. Like,
Yeah.
Ah, fuck. Sorry. My back is so tight that hurts.
You okay?
Yeah, it's supposed to hurt, right?
All that tension. You have too much
Relax.
tension, too much pressure, too much stress.
just let it.
It hurt. It might sting a little bit. I'm not gonna lie for a
Okay.
minute,
You like
but then it opens up and you feel better. That's what you want. Let's stand up.
People ask me to do that. I'm like, no.
Oh my God, I get so uncomfortable when people ask me to do that.
I'm like, no.
Yeah.
Or when they say, like, leave me up and shake
I'm
you
like-
and, like, crack your back. I'm like, I don't know.
Or I make my daughter walk on my back. It's my patience. So I go, could you just stop that? You're making yourself worse. Tuck that chin.
My ass is so bad today.
Take a deep breath in.
Wait.
Deep breath all the way out.
Oh my God.
It hurt it.
I felt that.
I heard it.
Put
Okay.
your arms down. Breathe. Now the fun begins because we're going to sit in that chair.
Oh God.
From diabetes. From McDonald's.
Hang those arms over the side. Put your feet flat on the floor. You got to get the base of the skull, your occiput bone basically, stuck to your first cervical vertebrae. Why? Because you're looking down at your phone all day long. Because you can't stop. It's just you can't. You're addicted.
You're addicted.
The text and the
Partying with
pictures
boyfriend.
and the boyfriends.
What?
The boyfriends. Oh my God, she's like, what?
Made her 10 times.
She's all stressed out.
You probably need this.
She does need it.
You do need
Everybody
it. It's not
needs it.
actually.
You need it, seriously.
Right.
She's really stuck right here on the side, seriously.
Oh my God.
Just relax, drop. Relax, just relax.
Ah! I don't like how that feels. It scares me and it hurt. I'm not used to this.
It scares me.
You never like cracked your neck, like.
How does the other chiropractor adjust you?
Well,
I hear this all the time.
No,
from
he
people.
cracked my neck like on the.
Yeah, they go.
Like I was laying down.
Bye. Okay, and it doesn't look right. And you don't feel right.
Yeah.
Drop that head back.
That one felt so much better than the other one.
You need it. Got to separate your base of your skull off of your first cervical vertebrae. Because there's too many nerves that are stuck there and too many small muscles, and right past the middle of it is your spinal cord. Passes to attach to your brain. If it doesn't open, if it has pressure on it, you're not breathing correctly, your eyesight, everything, then you get the headache thing. All this stuff could start happening.
I asthma.
Asthma too.
Nice bad.
Relax. Don't resist.
Just like pushed into it.
She's like resisting. It's okay. Drop the shoulder right here, right there.
Oh my god.
There you go.
That felt better than the other one.
Because you were relaxed.
Because you were relaxed.
It's really hard for me to relax.
Let's stand up. Why is it hard for you to relax?
I have no idea. No.
Give me your hands. Stretch, breathe.
What?
Keep breathing. All the way deep, in and out. Gotta fill up those lungs with air. There you go. That's how you stop your anxiety. Breathing. We don't breathe correctly. Stay open. Shoulders, clavicles, sternum, ribs. I know your chiropractor doesn't do this one either.
Oh, this one's not hard.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That one. Yeah.
Oh.
Breathe deep. Diaphragm is stuck. Everybody's diaphragm is stuck. Oh, good. It's unhealthy.
Uh-oh.
This is what she's talking about.
What is this?
It's a Y strap.
What am I doing?
Lift up your head.
Oh no, I don't know if I
Oh, I've seen this.
Put your head on the back.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath in. Roll it all the way out.
Oh.
Stay back.
How did that feel?
It was weird. It didn't hurt. It just felt weird.
Didn't hurt.
Whoa.
It didn't hurt. It didn't hurt. It didn't
No,
hurt.
it didn't.
No.
How do you feel?
I mean, I feel like
Look at oh, no.
straighter.
Yeah, you're straighter. Even look at this. See this? It's not as crooked before. Before it was like this whole thing was like that. Like your pants would look like they were hiked all the way up on this side.
Yeah.
See?
Yay.
I feel
Pressure,
more-
tension, and stress out
more
of your spinal nervous
nervous.
system. Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah. It's a little scary. But I definitely feel like, looser.
Never be afraid to get adjusted.
Yes.
Never. Boom.
Never be afraid.